Hi, my name is Ashish and this is the new video for AWS Solution Architect Associate Level series that we are working on. In this video, we will see how to create a static website using S3. We have worked on creating S3 buckets. We have seen how to secure those buckets, what is transfer acceleration, how you enable the versioning, the logs, everything. Now we will see how to use S3 for the static website. By static website, it means that you will not be able to have the PHP, Python and everything else that you can use on dynamic websites. So let's continue to the portal and take it from there. Alright, so I'm in the console. I will click on S3. And when it comes up, I will create a bucket. Create a bucket. My S3 static website. Mumbai. Click on create. I'm leaving the okay. My S3 is static website tutorial. So it is because it's the globally unique identifier name. Someone else in the world is using the same name, you cannot use that. So that's a good example. And it says bucket and objects are not public. So I go here, properties, or I can do on permissions, public access settings, manage public access control. I click on edit. Or I can save. Confirm. Public access settings updated successfully. I go to my Amazon S3. Objects can be public. Alright. And after that, go on to this bucket, click on properties, static website hosting, click here, use the buckets to host a website. I click on here, my index document, let's keep it default index.html, let's keep it default error.html, save. Bucket hosting host, if you will click in. All right, so if you go on S3, so when you are at this point, click on the S3, click on the bucket, go to the properties, and if you will click on the static website hosting, this is the endpoint that it gave you. So if you will in the new tab, the access is forbidden, right? So if you go to the permissions tab, go to the bucket policy, right? Type to add a new policy or edit an existing policy in this area. With the bucket policy editor, you will have to get in to this bucket policy, and this is the JSON file that you create. You can tell it is as the version 1, and the statement public read get object allow principal action in the air, and you can just copy this here from here. And you can click on save. So you'll have to work, if you will get the documentation, then you could also create the policy generator tab to generate the the file for use like this. I will cover these in the next videos. And then when the setting is true, then you can go on and upload your images on that bucket, and then through the endpoint you can access that static website. And this is how simple it is to create a static website using the Amazon S3. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and share these videos. I will see you in the next video. Till then, have a great day ahead.